This is John Hummel, Senior Technical Writer for Altinity. In this video series, I'll be covering how to install Altinity Stable for ClickHouse for both Deb and RPM-based Linux distributions, and reasons why you should be specifying the version as you do so. In other videos, I'll be showing how to install Altinity Stable for ClickHouse with Docker and how to build it manually from a GitHub repository. You're familiar with ClickHouse, the analytics database that can search billions of rows of data in milliseconds, whether you're using a laptop or clustered together in the cloud. Organizations who use Altinity.cloud have grown used to managing terabytes of data, crunching the numbers, and getting the results fast so they can keep on top of their mission-critical applications. To make ClickHouse even better for production environments, we have created Altinity Stable. Versions of ClickHouse released under Altinity Stable have been tested to make sure they can withstand the rigors of a production environment, verified against client libraries and applications like Superset to make sure that the connections aren't broken, confirmed for cloud use. Important patches that were released for later versions of ClickHouse are backported into previous versions. Binaries are provided from a secure build process from build.altinity.cloud. And as part of Altinity's commitment to open source, 100% of the improvements and upgrades to ClickHouse as part of Altinity Stable are also open source and compatible with the community ClickHouse builds. As mentioned, this is all open source and is provided for free. Altinity Stable major releases are supported for 3 years. So if you're still using ClickHouse 2.1 or 2.3, you can keep using the Altinity build version years after the community support has expired. In fact, as of right now, ClickHouse 21.1 community support ended April 30th, 2021, while the Altinity build of ClickHouse is supported until January 31st, 2023. Sounds exciting? I thought so too. For organizations who want to use a production-tested, secure build of ClickHouse, the same version that is provided to Altinity.cloud clients, they can start right now by accessing builds.altinity.cloud. To follow along, you can see these same instructions on docs.altinity.com. Of course, there are other videos about how to use ClickHouse, how to secure it, integrate it with other applications. You can find these on our YouTube page and by clicking the subscribe button with the notifications bell. If you're interested in other ClickHouse-related trainings, seminars, and articles, make sure to visit the Altinity resources page. All right, enough introduction. Let's cover how to install ClickHouse using Altinity Stable. I'm John Hummel, Senior Technical Writer for Altinity. May your servers be as stable as stone and as fast as the wind. Until next time, happy coding.